Hello guys, welcome to Taxable. Today in this video we are going to talk about how to transfer files between Android smartphone to Windows PC and Windows PC to Android easily. As you guys know, transferring data from Android to Android is so much easier. You can use Google Files app to transfer data between Android to Android, but people are always facing issues while sharing data between Android to PC. So if you don't have a data cable or data cable isn't working properly, then here it comes the best wireless data transfer way, which is also the fastest, and you can easily transfer data from Android to PC. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Google Play Store and install Wi-Fi FTP server on your Android smartphone. Inside this application, you will get this super simple user interface. Now, firstly, open the hotspot in your Android device, then open Wi-Fi on your Windows PC and connect both devices. Then simply click on Start. You can see there is a server URL. We are going to use this later. Now open your Windows PC, click on this PC, right click on the empty space and click on Add a Network Location. Here you can see Add Network Location wizard. Simply click on Next. Here you will see Connect to the Internet pop-up. We don't need it, so click on Cancel. Window is minimized. Reopen it. Now click on Next. On this window, specify the network address. Here you have to put the server URL we have seen in the Wi-Fi FTP application on Android smartphone. Enter this server URL, then click on Next. Here specify a username and password if required. Do nothing, simply click on Next. What do you want to name this location? Just give any name. I'm entering Taxable, then click on Next. So guys, we have successfully completed the network setup. Simply click on Finish. Now just double click on the network location and you can access your Android smartphone's file manager from here. And now you are able to transfer data between Android to PC and PC to Android seamlessly. Now guys, our one-time setup is complete. Next time, whenever you want to share files between Android to PC or PC to Android, then just open hotspot on Android and Wi-Fi on PC, connect wirelessly, then open Wi-Fi FTP app on Android, click on Start, open network location in PC and start sharing. Simple, isn't it? So guys, if you found this video helpful, make sure to give us a like and subscribe to the channel for more technology tricks. Till then, bye. I'll see you in the next one.